Did you know there are poisonous foods that can kill you? Yes, I am serious. Welcome back to Take Care Sparky. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial topic: 5 common foods that are considered extremely toxic for your body, supported by both Ayurveda and modern science. These foods can cause serious health issues or even be deadly. So, let's dive right in. Starting with number 5 on our list, bitter bottle gourd. Now, we often consider bottle gourd, also known as lauki, as one of the healthiest vegetables. However, here's the twist: if it's bitter, it can be dangerous. Bitter bottle gourd contains toxic compounds that can lead to severe symptoms, including vomiting, abdominal pain, and even death. Always check the taste before using it. At number 4, green potatoes. Potatoes are must-have for many kitchens, but green potatoes are a problem. They contain a neurotoxin called solanine, which can cause nausea, headaches, and even neurological issues. Avoid them, and don't use green parts in your cooking. It's better to be safe than sorry. Coming in at number 3, unset curd. Eating improperly set curd can lead to blockage of the body's channels and cause constipation, weight gain, allergies, and joint stiffness. This is something you definitely want to avoid. So, either set your curd properly or consider using it for other purposes. Moving on to number 2 on our list, bitter almonds. Now, bitter almonds contain a toxic chemical that turns into cyanide in the body, blocking the oxygen passage, and potentially leading to choking, or even death. Be cautious, and always spit out bitter almonds. Safety first, right? Finally, we've reached the number 1 spot on our list: heated honey. Honey is often considered a superfood, but heating it can change its texture and produce toxins in the digestive tract. Consuming heated honey can lead to congestion, weight gain, respiratory issues, digestive problems, and in rare cases, it can be fatal. Use honey in warm, not hot, beverages or dishes to preserve its health benefits. So, there you have it: 5 foods that you should definitely avoid to protect your health. Remember, your health is your wealth, and being informed about what you eat is a crucial step in ensuring a healthier and happier life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family to spread the knowledge. That's all for today's video. Thank you for joining us at Take Care Sparky. Stay healthy, stay safe, and always be mindful of what you consume. If you have any questions, or would like us to cover any specific health-related topics, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative and insightful content. Until next time, take care.